Good morning, students. Today we start exercise 5.6 of derivative. In this exercise we use parametric equation, that is x is equal to ft and y is equal to gt. In this, first we find dx by dt, that's f dash t. Then we find dy upon dt, which is g dash t, and for dy upon dx we divide dy upon dt over dx by dt, that is g dash t upon f dash t. These two equations are called parametric equations. In exercise 5.6, the first question is x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to at power 4. When we find dx upon dt, let's differentiate with respect to t, where we use power rule 2t, and dy upon dt a 4t cube. When we find dy upon dx, which is dy upon dt upon dx upon dt, this is 4at cube, this is 4at. These are cancelled out, so t square is the answer of this question. In second question, x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta. In this, first we find dx upon d theta, which is means a sin theta, and dy upon d theta, which is means b sin theta. When we find dy upon dx, let's dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. This cancel out, so b upon e is the answer. In the third part, x is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos 2t. When we find dx by dt, that is differentiation of sin t is cos t and differentiation of cos 2t is man sin 2t into 2. When we find dy upon dx, divide dy upon dt. Formula of sin 2t is sin t cos t, divide this by cos t. These are cancelled out, so man's 4 sin t is the answer of this question. In fourth part, x is equal to 4t and y is equal to 4 by t. When we find dx upon dt, which is equal to 4, derivative of t is 1. dy upon dt, we write t means 1 power t means 2, that is 4 by t square. When we find dy upon dx, divide dy upon dt by dx by dt. So 1 by t square is the answer of this question. In question number 5th, the statement is, 5th is x is equal to cos theta means cos 2 theta and y is equal to sin theta means sin 2 theta. Here we find dx by d theta, differentiation of cos is means sin theta, cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta into 2. Same dy upon d theta is differentiation of sin is cos, this is cos 2 theta, derivative of 2 theta is 2. So dy upon dx is dy upon d theta divided by dx upon d theta. This is the answer of this question. In question number 6, the statement is x is equal to a theta means sin theta and y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. In this question, first we find dx upon d theta then dy upon d theta. For dx upon d theta, dx upon d theta, a is as it is, derivative of theta is 1 and sin theta is cos theta. Same dy upon d theta is derivative of 1 is 0 and sin theta. When we find dy upon dx, dy upon d theta over dx by d theta. This is means a sin theta upon a into 1 means cos theta. This cancel out. Formula of sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and this is 2 sin square theta upon 2. This cancel out. This is also cancelled. So this is cos theta upon 2. So the answer of this question is cot theta upon 2. In question number 7, the statement is, 7th is x is equal to sin qt divided by root cos 2t and y is equal to cos qt upon under root cos 2t. In this question, first we differentiate with respect to t. For this we use quotient rule. In quotient rule, v square, this is v, differentiation of u, which is 3 sin square t, and differentiation of sin is cos t, means sin qt, differentiation of v is 1/2 cos 2t, and differentiation of this is means 2 sin 2t. This is the derivative of this function. So in this cos 2t into, when we take LCM, this multiply by this, so this is cos 2t, 3 sin square t cos t plus sin qt into sin 2t divided by cos 2t into cos 2t. So in this question, this is cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t plus sin qt, formula of sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t. This power is 3 by 2. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. When we take sin square t and cos t is common, this equation becomes 3 cos 2t, and this becomes, this is 2 sin square t upon cos 2t whole power 3/2. This is sin square t, this is cos t. Here we use formula of cos 2t in terms of sin. That's 2 sin square t plus 2 sin square t upon cos 2t whole power 3/2. This becomes sin square t cos t. This is 3 and 6 sin square t plus 2 sin square t upon cos 2t whole power 3/2. This is sin square t cos t. This is 3 and 4 sin square t upon cos 2t whole power 3/2. This is the solution of x. And for y, we use again quotient rule. For y, we again use quotient rule. Let's dy upon dt. dy upon dt is cos 2t v square, here v differentiation of u, which is 3 cos square t into man sin t, mans cos qt, differentiation of u is sin 2t. This is the derivative of this. This cancel out. When we take the LCM, this is cos 2t, 3 cos square t sin t, plus this is cos qt, and formula of sin t is 2 sin t cos t. This 1 and this half, this becomes 2t 3/2. When we take cos square t and sin t common in this is minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t, 4 power is cos 2t 3/2. This is cos square t sin t. Use cos 2t is 2 cos square t minus 1 plus 2 cos square t over cos 2t 4 power 3/2. So this becomes cos square t. This question becomes cos square t this is cos square t into sin t. This becomes minus 6 cos square t plus 2 cos square t minus 4 cos square t plus 3 upon cos 2t 4 power 3/2. When we divide these two terms, that's dy upon dx, dy upon dt is divided by this. Here cos is cancelled by cos, sin is cancelled by sin. So in the numerator there is cos 3 minus 4 cos square t, and in denominator there is only sin t and 3 minus 4 sin square t. When we multiply this and take minus common, this becomes 4 cos qt minus 3 cos t, and this becomes 3 sin t minus 4 sin qt. This is the formula of this is cos 3t, this is sin 3t. So answer is minus of cot 3t. This is the solution of question number 7. Do all these sums on your notebook.